What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So I've been looking at a lot of AI art recently. It's pretty good. They look really good. These alternative sort of versions of anime characters. What's like the best program? Do you know in the comments? What's the best program to do AI art? I know like some people don't like it, but I'm interested in doing some. If you know like the best program and like how much it costs, do you have to pay for it? I have no idea. Anyway, found this image of Sasuke. And it looks pretty slick. Don't know who the artist is. Yeah, I know it's AI, but I'm sure it's someone put the prompts in and maybe colored it in Photoshop. Or I'm not really sure how it works. So full credit to this person. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So center point of my page is about here. Come over to the right a little bit. Sasuke in 3/4 pose now, right? So we start with the big eye first. So we go diagonal up and across like so, and this will spike down and come around the bottom up into the corner near his tear duct. So we darken up the top eyelid a little bit, and we'll add some sort of like eyelash lines, like some spikes that stick off here. Right, and then his iris and pupil, so just like a circle, he's looking over to the left, curves around like so, and then the pupil just like at the top in the center. Okay, so he does have a red eye in this, but it's not sharingan, but I'll add a sharingan sort of here. Maybe one here. Okay. Right, so then eyelid line just on top, coming across the eye, and then there's like a little sort of nose line here or something. It's kind of like a touchy sort of stuff there. So his nose then, just down from the eye, it's about eye width, I would say, kind of curves around the eye here. So like curves around there. And there's a little bit of a gap. Comes out and then around the top down to there. And then we've got like a nostril line there. And they do draw in his nostril on the side. So we'll add that there. So what we can see of the other eye, right? So we got like this line becomes his like eyebrow up here, right? So you've got this like sort of dark black eyebrow section, and then the eyelashes kind of come up, stick out here and go back in, and then the gap, the eyelid between the eyelashes and the eyebrows there. So then his eyeball comes down here into the corner like that, and then you'll have like bottom eyelashes there. And then his cheek will just go into his nose this way. Okay. And again, so we have to make it look like he's kind of like looking over to the left hand side. So what we can see of his iris and pupil, just like curving around here, and the pupil maybe just in the corner there. You can't see sharingan either, but you know, a little dot here and there might help things, just like that. So his top lip comes out from the nose, so it just goes like out there and then curves back in, and then his bottom lip sticks out that way and then goes back in. So it's kind of like a letter M. See here? Stretched out kind of letter M. And the middle point is where his lip goes. Right? So it like comes out and down this way. And then his chin down like so, and around here to his jaw. And you could have a little like just a bottom lip line, some shadow underneath it there. And I think he's got like bags underneath his eyes as well, just like these sort of dots and dashes and stuff just underneath his eye there. It's always cool seeing different designs of like popular characters like this. It's awesome. There's no end to what you can do. Right, so long hair spikes, right, that come across his forehead. Now, it's different sort of hair than what we're used to. So it comes down like this kind of stuff, right? Lots of spikes. Right. So we start with this. There's lots of hair spikes. Now, if you followed the alternative Naruto tutorial, you'll know what I mean. Loads and loads of these. Might be the longest part of the video. So this comes across his eye here. You know, and they add like extra sort of lines and stuff. Or the AI does. Right, and then like another one here. I think there's like a long one. Like single strand of hair there. It's like curves around that way. And then I can see his eyebrow just in here. And it's just a black eyebrow. Thicker, closer to the nose, skinnier back here. Kind of looks like Tomioka from Demon Slayer. So then this keeps going down that way. Straight up this way. And then this curves up, down. And we'll keep going, layers and layers of hair now. But they're all like similar style kind of hair spikes. Goes that way and then there. And then I think we can see his ear. Well, we definitely can see his ear just in here. And then ear lines, letter J And he's got an earring, a little stud earring there. Some more airlines inside, as much as you'd like. And then there's like another layer of hair spikes that come around from behind the ear. So some of them will go down behind his neck, so his neck is like there. And then hair spike there. Sorry now if you can hear noise in the background. My kids are being loud. I swear to God they know when I'm recording and they just get louder. Okay, I think that's his hair though. Like that. Okay, so he's got like a kimono on. So this comes down, the collar goes down that way. The back of his shoulder goes down there, and there's like a red collar there. The other side, so it just comes down this way, like so. And then this comes down there. It's like there's an edge line that follows this off. Like that. And he has some sort of necklace on inside, but we can just see his other shoulder just on the other side. There. And like we got like a shoulder line here. Right. And there's actually more hair. Yes, I know, more. Underneath, hanging down from this side. He's got some sort of like a Japanese knot necklace, right? So it's like, comes out from behind his neck. So we'll go here. And I like little details like this. Like so, and then there's like a knot coming over this side as well. Like lines, it's like it's tied. It's all these sort of course, you could do your own sort of necklace if you don't like my one. Right, like so. And there's no like neck muscle lines, it's all just sort of flat. And then his t-shirt just comes underneath. Went over that, I can erase it later. So yeah, that's all we can kind of see. So his jaw would go that way. Maybe you should see some jaw there. Like maybe a neck muscle going that way. Okay, and then there's this like pattern on the collar of the kimono. So it's just like these random sort of lines. Like so. Look, there's like flowers here. Okay, right. So now he has like a full moon in the background, right? But it's a sharingan thing. So we got like this circle that comes around here. You can add it or not. I'm going to go for it. So curving. If you had a compass, like a big one, you could use that. Boom, right, and it seems to have an edge. Like so, and then we have the tome, so like the comma sort of things. So we got like a spike, and it curves around there. And the other one's like here under his hair. So the spike part and the round. This is the roundy part. Spike here. There. And then it has the black lines that go around. Kind of like in his eye. Just thicker. Right in there, like colored black, and it's red and stuff, and it looks slick. There he is, Alt Sasuke. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.